Good day and welcome to the Origsburg Area Free Public Library. Today I'm going to read Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. It's an international bestseller. Bear Snores On. There's his cave. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peep in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps you can share?" "I've brought some honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, a chomp, and a crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great big den. They tweet and they twitter and they chit and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. The bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. The bear growls and he grumbles. And everybody takes chase. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." There's Mouse right there. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And that is the story of Bear Snores On. Thanks for joining us and letting us into your house. Have a good day.